Good evening, guys. Oily na ang aura. Maglalagay na lang ako ng botones.
Okay, what room in the house are you in? I've never been. Is there a basement? I don't know. There's no. Go up the stairs. Now what? Is there a bathroom? Yes. Is the door locked from the inside?
Yes.
Listen carefully. Lock the door, close it, but do not go inside the room. Understand? Okay, very quietly. Look at the space. Find a closet. Get inside.
Ngit-ngit dia. Oh, di ko siyot. Nawa na. Nanay buslot ning dagom. Hop, hop, hop. Ay, salamat. Anong oras ako kumain? Alas
Was she still living here?
6:45,
Police are on their way.
7. Alas 7:08 na. Alas 7:08.
Rose, you hear anything?
Uy, kagahi nitong lakit.
Let's go already. He sees one. Please. Just stay quiet. Stay still. Police are on their way, all right? Where's he now?
Dami kong nakain.
If he's in the room with you, and you can't talk to me, press this 0 on your phone.
Ay, lamok.
Or if he finds you, shoot fire. You understand? Would you play with that man?
Tapusin ko lang ito.
Fight
Pag
right now.
bubotones, hindi na ako mag-overtime. Sakto na yung overtime na yan. Maganda itong mga unang supply, guys, kay Red Jude. Yung last parang itim yung buton. Ito pula eh. Pula, di ba? Itong kay ma'am. Oh, hindi na pula, maroon na. Maroon, oh. Oh, maroon na siya. Hindi na pula. Kay Ma'am Ana Marion. Ito kay Ma'am Conching Fontanosa. Overtime is life. Sana di matumba. Huwag ka matutumba, ha. At nasa pangalawang botones pa lang tayo. Ay, thank you Lord.
Agent Sutherland.
Thank you sa lahat ng
Yes,
subscribers,
man. Codename Sidewinder and Gazelle.
sa solid
On the line said
kay YouTubers, sa hindi nag skip ng ads.
Yeah, she said there were two intruders.
Halos
She
pa
saw
naman
their
tayo.
faces, but the police have her now, she said.
Sa nagsesend ng dollar sign.
Hawkins is on his way there.
Hawkins, no, listen, we have to do this, right? I'll go to the White House, get someone to cover the night action. Oh, but I need you now. I need you to get to this Rosalie and take her somewhere. Don't tell
Nagbuhol
me
siya.
where. Don't tell anyone where until we can set up a debrief. with the White
Nagbubuhol
House.
talaga.
She doesn't tell you anything, you don't tell her anything. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Peter, if she called your number, this is more important than you can imagine. I trust you.
Yes, ma'am. Miss Larkin? I'm Jamie Hawkins, Deputy Director of the FBI.
Where's my aunt and uncle?
I'm very sorry, but they're both deceased when we arrived.
No. Everyone loves them. Will someone just tell me what's really going on? What's actually happening here?
Trying to put that all together.
Sana di makapiright.
The White House when I got the news.
You work in the White House?
Yes. Maybe you and I can talk. We can figure out what happened there tonight. Deputy Director Hawkins. So, what the hell are you doing here? Diane Floor sent me to take this look.
You, Peter.
Guys, sino nakasubscribe sa mga video editor? Maganda sana mag-subscribe. Kaso lang, yung kita ng channel natin, mapupunta lang sa kanila. Para lang tayo nagsayang ng kita natin. Yung kita ng, for example, sa YouTube natin, ay mas mahal pa nga yung,
We're gonna get you some
ano ba yan? Oy, shout out sa editor apps.
Yes, you made your choice, didn't you?
Mura-murahan nyo pa naman yung yung subscriber, nyo, buttons nyo.
That's all right.
Hindi naman kami sikat.
The FBI.
Where are you taking me?
My apartment. Just need to grab something quick.
My aunt and uncle, my whole life they told me they worked in acquisitions. Conferences in London, conventions in Vegas, but apparently it was all complete bullshit. Who were they really?
Maganda sana may editor tayo guys. Yung may music, gusto ko yun.
But you
Kaso
were the one
lang,
who answered that call.
ano na
You
lang.
must know something. Why were they killed?
Diretso na lang
Even if I
upload.
knew, which I
Wala
don't,
na music.
my boss doesn't tell me anything. Or you telling me.
Yes, dalawa na lang. Kasya pa itong sinulid ko. Hala, na-off ko pala ang Kaya pala na ibo.
What happens now?
We'll get you briefed tomorrow. Give me your phone. Diane Floor, President's Chief of Staff.
Tulog na.
We got you in the house. It's
Tulog na ang mga seconds guys.
Maybe the house lawyers from the Secret Service, but your phone, please.
Maaga nakatulog.
Be careful.
Aray,
I do not.
kumakain na yung isang kitten guys. Si Cloud, yung may white.
Bring the storm
Yung
right.
isa, hindi pa.
Closet. Like for a few days, we leave 2 minutes.
Pero kahit kumakain na siya ng rice sa kainununan, nagdedede pa rin siya sa iyang mama. Kay Oreo. Ay, lumot. Yes, isa na lang. Makakapagpahinga na ang beauty ko. Makakapunta na ako sa inyong mga channel. Hindi ako nag-i-skip ng ads. Kung halimbawa di ko natapos yung video nyo at mahaba, binabalikan ko guys, tinatapos ko rin. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Isa na lang. I-upload ko rin ito ngayon. Pagkatapos ko magbotones. Thank you kay Ma'am Inday at kay Ma'am Ana Marie. Ito. Kay Ma'am Ana Marie, tatahiin ko bukas. Salang-salang. Tapos, si Ma'am Inday, blouse lang ipapauna niya. Salang-salang. Pagkatapos ng kay Ma'am Ma'am Ana Marie, mag-start na naman ako kay Ma'am Pino. Ano ang apelido ni Ma'am Pino? Hindi ko sila memorize. Ma'am Marie. Ito si Ma'am Aina Pino. Siya na naman ang ine-next ko pagkatapos nitong kay Ma'am. Tapos, kay Ma'am Pino, balik na naman tayo kay Ma'am Inday. Blouse ipapauna niya talaga. Salang-salang na lang guys, kay mahina ang kalaban. Ayaw naman magtahi ng ng ibang mananahi ng dip-ed blouse. Saka malayo sila guys, wala akong tigahatid. Ako nga din na sinasakay ng service ng driver. Kaya thank you Lord, nandito lang ako sa bahay, di na kailangan mamasahe at lumabas sa downtown o doon sa highway para sumakay. Mahirap sumakay dito guys. Malayo kami sa downtown guys. Mahirap sumakay ng tricycle. Matagal ka mag-iintay sa highway. Ayan, thank you Lord. Ito na, tapos na. At yan ang ilalagay natin doon. Ilalagay ko sa Binalik ko kasi ito. Ay, shoot. Maganda itong nagamit ko sa yung ito, tawag na ito, naka-selfie kasi ito. Maganda itong pilit-pilon guys. Bukas ko na yan paplansyahin. Matigas, tingnan mo, pati sa packet. Kaso sa Cebu pa daw ito binili. May friend kasi akong mananahi din na sa Cebu kumukuha ng materials. Try ko magpapabili sa kanya. Try ko sa kanya bumili ng ganyan. Ayan. Thank you Ma'am and guys. Tapos na ang blouse mo. Maganahan kang kunin ito. Bukas. Paplansyahin ko pa ito bukas. Baka next week niya kukunin ito pag tapos na yung dalawang blouse. Diba? At itong isang guys, ito isang maniki, nilagyan kong bra ko. Diba panlalaki itong maniki na ito? O pwede na pala gawing ng babae. O nilagyan ko bra ko. Tapos nilagyan ko ring tela. Ayan. Pwede. Ang gandang tingnan, diba? May breast na siya. Sa mga kapwa ko mananahi na may maniki na pang lalaki, ayan, nilagyan ko lang ng pads na ritaso. Bra ko yan, nilagay ko dyan. Ah, okay. At tatabunan ko na yan. Tatabunan ko na itong ating mga manikin. At gabi na. I-upload ko rin itong video na ito ngayon, guys. Shout out sa mga nagpapatahi sa akin at sa magpapatahi pa. Welcome dito sa bahay. Punta lang kayo dito. Kaya chat kayo kung saan ko kayo susukatan. Pupuntahan ko kayo. Basta dito lang sa Dumaguete, guys. Basta kaya lang mapuntahan ng ano, motor or ng tricycle. At try ko rin kung magtatahi yung friend ko ng pantalon. Papatahi ko na lang yung ibang pantalon sa kanila. Kasi yung blouse parang ayaw nila magtahi. Mahirap daw yung blouse, guys. At mas gusto ko rin ako nagtatahi ng blouse kasi ano ko na, gamay. Yung parang sanay na ako nagtatahi ng blouse nila. Thank you. Shout out sa inyong lahat, mga customer ko. God bless sa ating lahat. Thank you. Mama chuchu. Ay, salamat Lord. Nakapag-overtime ang 7:25 na. At least nakapaghapunan na ako.